In this section here, we're going to see most of the major vessels that come above the heart, and also some that come from below the heart. This one is the heart, and I took out the parietal pericardium. See the little membrane? So you can see that I peeled it off, right? And so on the muscle itself, or the heart muscle of the heart, you can see the two auricles that I show you in the model. Auricles meaning little ears. Okay, these are expansions of the atrium, which will be two of the chambers inside the heart. And so continuing up, we're going to see here the ascending aorta, and the arch, or the aorta. And then some of the major vessels that come out, branch out from that, will be these two that you see on both sides of the trachea. This will be the common carotid artery, and this will go up on the brain to bring oxygen to the brain. We also have now in blue, we have the jugular veins that go also, and they bring all the deoxygenated blood from the head into the heart, and they will drain into these big vessels here and here, mean right and left. These are called the cranial vena cava, which in rabbits it's on both sides, but most of other organism mammals have it on the right side only, which is this one. And this will enter also on the right atrium to bring the deoxygenated blood. I am going to show you also the caudal vena cava. If I move the diaphragm and the heart and the lungs, I'm pointing out here, let me get some of the fat away. See these big blue vessels here? This is the caudal vena cava, if you see it up here, right? That brings all the deoxygenated blood from the gastric area. And that one also will dump the blood into the right atrium, along with the one from the cranial vena cava, to go into the heart. There will be, of course, many other vessels in this area. I can mention some, the facial and the maxillary. Those are all branching of the arteries and the vein. They will go and oxygenate all the rest of the face. Another group of vessels that I want to show you is here. If we remove the lungs on the side, you see these are all the ribs. Costal is the name of it. So those vessels, red and blue, that you see here, those will be the intercostal arteries and vein. Inter meaning in between. So you see that the area of the chest is also gets with the blood of both kinds.